What happened? Better go kiss his Bobo. Yeah, good girl. Well, Mommy has to go get Emily. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Mommy.
Well, oh, Kevin, don't do that.
Mommy, Daddy, one furniture.
Watch the furniture.
Daddy, let me ask to go. Where do you ask to go? We not ask to go.
Where are you guys going?
We're going to ask you
Where?
in here.
What are you guys going to do in there?
We're going to go push the button like that.
But why are you guys going to go in there?
Wow.
Come on. Come on out. Guys.
Okay, oh, that's right, I'm a horse.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hang on, Stephanie.
Hang on, here we go, goes
No, she's not going to hang on. Just wait.
Hang on.
Stephanie, you got to hang on.
And then, oh my God.
I'm cleaning.
Definitely hang on
Okay,
together.
go guys.
Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom.
Hang on, Stephanie.
We're off.
Yeah.
What? That's it, Stephanie. Tell the horsey to go.
Go, mush.
Go. Where's that horsey wearing up the dirt down there?
Stephanie, will you please hang on? Okay, stop. Hang on, Stephanie. Hi. Hi. Will you hang on, girl? Yeah. Well, you're not hanging on. Your brother's hanging on like he's afraid for his life.